Hey guys, what's up? Traveling through at YouTube. There's just so much to do. Paddleboarding in the ocean? Huh? No. Alright, morning everybody. Oh, this is a little bit different, isn't it? Beautiful. Amazing. Here on Mount Desert Island, guys. Very, very cool. I'm at Schooner Head. It's a part of Acadia National Park, but it's like close to the town of Bar Harbor. This is just a little touristy one, but I always come to this spot when I come to Bar Harbor, so it's nice to be back. Hopefully that microphone's working out, because it's a bit windy today, a little chilly here. Man, this is just amazing. Check out these granite blocks. Acadia National Park, guys, in Maine. One of my favorite national parks. I spent a lot of time up here on Mount Desert Island and Bar Harbor, and I know the park pretty well. I've hiked every hiking trail on the eastern side of Mount Desert Island in Acadia National Park. I think it was 130 miles of trail. Acadia only has 120 miles of hiking trails anyways. They got lots of carriage roads. Squirrel. So I had to like re-hike some of the trails to get to like little extensions, but I did fill in the map. Here a couple of years ago, I ran the MDI marathon. Rode like 1,000 miles up here. Ran a marathon and then rode back. It was a pretty busy year. Can't believe I'm in Maine. It's like the first big trip in the bus, you know? This is my 20th state this year. Just camped out at a truck stop last night in New Hampshire. Just into the New Hampshire state line on 95. Actually, it's only like 18 miles or something like that. I was into Maine very quickly this morning. Definitely could have made it last night, but I wanted to stop in New Hampshire. It's always a quick one on 95 there, though. But wow. Super cool, huh? Too bad my shadow's right there. This guy. I'd like to get the bike out. Not really all that busy here, which is pretty awesome. I'm a bit late in the season. It's really warmed up. Probably overdressed for this, but very cool, huh? I'm trying to find the ruins of a mansion here. I believe it was the Dorr mansion. Ah, this looks like it. I actually stealth camped here one time, which is not allowed. So cool. Wow. This is a house. I think this would have been a porch. Maybe this would have been the house. I got trees growing in there. I think I camped right here. I think I camped right here. It's huge. This layout is huge, man. Big pieces of granite laying around, steps that just go down into the woods. Now back then, it was like 100 years ago, probably, or more. Really? What? I don't know. Probably like 100 years old or more. I mean, there were no trees. You know, there's a couple huge ones on the way in on the trail. Those were here, but everything else was cut. You see pictures of the old Dorr mansion. It's pretty elaborate. You know, it's pretty awesome. But these little side porches. Pretty sure I camped right here on this side porch. I know it was totally uncomfortable, and I should have slept there, but I think it was just fun to kind of camp on the brick for some reason. I don't know. You never know what's gonna happen on a bike tour. Check this out, guys. Looks like an old fireplace, right? There's an old fireplace tree growing out of it. Wow, so cool. The Dorr mansion. Very, very nice. So yeah, guys, in Bar Harbor, hanging out. I think I'm gonna get on the bike and go ride some carriage roads. It's looking like the rest of the week is gonna be rain, so probably be hiking tomorrow. I don't know, unless it's not raining all that bad, but I wouldn't mind climbing a few of these mountains. And Huguenot Head would be very interesting to do. I think I only climbed it once. Of course, there's Cadillac, but I've done so many summits on that. I don't know. Wow. I love it here. It smells extremely leafy. Coming out. Coming out. Very shortly here, I'm going to be on some, whoa, speed limit 15, I'm going 30. Woo. Yeah, so very shortly here, I'm going to get on some carriage roads. I'm driving up to the Jordan Pond House. Jordan Pond House, everybody. It is just so beautiful here in the fall. If you guys haven't made it up to New England in the fall, you got to. I'm a bit late in the season. I've never been up to New England this late in the season. I think October 15th or 16th was like the cutoff as far as late in the season as I've ever been. Incredible. Just incredible out here. That's Eagle Lake down there. And I'll probably be riding around part of that or something. I'm not sure. I know there is a closure around there, so we'll see what I can get into. But from the Jordan Pond House, from that parking area, you can really get to a lot of different trails. It's just an amazing day today. I am just speeding right through here. It's great to be out in the bus. This is really like the first big bus trip, and it's, you know, it's so clear that I got to build some stuff as soon as I get back. It's kind of got me motivated to get this bus project really restarted and finised. So hopefully the next bus trip will be comfortable. You know, I'm doing pretty good, but there's just a lot of things that could be a little bit smoother with a little bit of work, a little bit of time. This could be a very, very comfortable trip. Anywho, really looking forward to getting on the bike here. I've been waiting through these rainy days, man. Okay, I'm gonna get the bike set up, and we're gonna go hit some carriage roads, guys. Yeah, that's it, guys. Pretty jazzed up. Pizza box under the sleeping bag. Come on, man. Come on, man. Trying out my new Garmin today. I got the Garmin Edge Explorer. Lanky's gonna kill me. I think he just stopped using that, but I'm gonna give it a go. I lost my other one. So silly. I haven't found it yet. I know as soon as I bought one I was gonna find it, but I really haven't found it yet. And I'm not sure if I made it home from California, to be honest with you. Just awesome here, guys. Cruising these carriage roads. Wow. Not too many people around here on a Thursday. This is the bridge from 1925. Yeah, pretty amazing. Great shape. Granite, granite, granite. It's really awesome. God, I love it up here. As much exploration as I've done in Acadia, I don't know the carriage roads all that well. So this is basically new for me. I've walked on a couple. I've ridden a bike on a couple of them. You know, like 12 years ago. Just love Acadia. Tomorrow's gonna be sunny too. I don't know. I'm thinking about staying another day. What would you do? I just put a mirror on there, guys. I haven't even taken that plastic covering off the mirror yet. I don't know.
guys. Wow. There's so much more to explore. So Acadia has 120 miles of hiking trails, 45 miles of carriage roads. It's incredible. There's so much to do up here. It's insane. Not to mention even like bringing your canoe or your kayak or your rock climbing gear. There's just so much to do. Paddleboarding in the ocean? I don't think so. No. This is beautiful. Incredible. Acadia's open year round, guys. I wouldn't be up here in January, man. Oh, the wind. Those winters are fierce in Bar Harbor. My God. Negative 13. Real feel? Death. Just beautiful here, guys. I don't even know what else to say. I can't even really say much else about it. It's just incredible. So these roads were designed for horse-drawn carriages back in the late 20s, 30s, and 40s, when backpacking was a gentleman's sport. Some serious stuff floating around this mother. It is so cool here. Yeah. You guys gotta get here. Acadia. Oh man. Where do I meet her at? So nice out. Anyway, guys, having a great time riding these trails, man. You know, I probably said that 100 times already. I'm gonna have to edit that all out. But that downhill was amazing. That chick passed me like hauling ass, man. She did a little bit of a wheelie. She was doing wheelies. Man, this is really, really nice. If you were on a bike tour, the stealth camping. Unbelievable. Check these trees growing out of a tree. These little fellas. That is so cool. So this is Eagle Lake, guys. If you saw any shots in the background of a big water source, that was the Jordan Pond. So I did like almost like a figure 8 around them. I'm just about at an intersection up here on the carriage roads, and we'll see what they say. Should probably loop me back around to the Jordan Pond trail. Well, I think that backside's like 3 or 4 miles long. It's hard to believe there's only 45 miles of trail. It just seems so endless around here. But it's a small island. I mean, that's pretty good. And they're huge gravel paths, guys. I mean, as big as a road. So this is a Eagle Lake. I'm pretty sure it's like the biggest lake on Mount Desert Island. Yeah, I got another 5 miles here in this loop. And that might just about do it for today. Maybe I'll hike around a little bit till dark.